Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mags here, coming at y'all once again on Monday, September 30th, but we are looking at last Friday's trade. It was 9/27, September 27, 2024. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this. So here you can see I'm about to enter into a long. Uh, just in hindsight, the long doesn't play out, and as you could see, this wasn't very A plus of a setup. There's equal lows below. It was SMT, so that we could kind of check that one off the list. But the way we already had pushed through the gap and then came back down, and I was longing when we really should have been short. But let's go ahead and see what happens here. So boom, this is about to close and I'm about to enter. Boom. Right there I'm entering. And let's see what happens. So as you can see, we tapped into this gap here. We did close this one. But what I'm seeing here is we took data lows. We're in a PD array, higher time frame PD array. If we would have closed it with this one, it would have been a higher probability in my opinion. But we did close the next one, and this one closed up. So I saw a valid reason to take this here, especially how we were rejecting. But Friday was a difficult day last week. But yeah, so I did enter, or y'all saw me enter. So let's see what happens. So it was going pretty decent at first, but then just kept going down against me. I was kind of hoping this gap to help us, but this was my first long here of this day. I took 3 trades this day, which is not a part of my rules. There it is. I got stopped right there. So as you could see, came up. We inverted this 1-minute gap after displacing in the market, after having SMT here, after taking liquidity here, after being in a higher time frame PD array here. We displaced down. We respected 50% here, and I still wanted to take a long here. So let's see how that. As we could see what happened. But yeah, let's keep moving forward. I did take another trade. Keep in mind, literally in these seconds, I'm like, there's news at 10. Let me wait till after news, and then look what I did. I got chopped up real hard. Real hard. News at 10. I saw this inversion setup, which I do like on a regular day. So I wanted to take it. And we'll see what happens. So boom, I'm in. It's 9:59, 10 seconds till 10. There's a red folder news at 10. Let's see what happens. I know what happens. Just like that, it pierced all the way, and I was like, okay, it's looking good, it's looking good. We ran up, we took some liquidity, we went down. But boy, was I wrong. I was so wrong. I just breathing off of hopium here. So you can see it inverted the gap here after touching 730 and taking some equal lows out. Closed the gap. I still decided to hold because of this gap. And this one. And we took that swing high. So let's see. Right there, we didn't invert the gap, but we pushed through it right here. So you can see it literally respected the inverse and respected this gap. Like my stop is next for sure. Boom. Touched my stop. Went a little higher. And since I already know what happened in hindsight, all this was turtle soup. There's a high here, a high here, inside of the gap. This third high this is expected turtle soup, and I did not see that in that point in time. I was already over my max trades for the day, 2 losses, but you can see it just sends down after that, closes the gap, and just goes. Literally perfect turtle soup. Just goes. But I do know that I took one more trade after this, so let's see if we could get that. Look right here, guys. Looks like I'm getting ready. Look at me on a 30-second time frame. I never use a 30-second to enter. If I do, it's really rare, and I'm not very confident on it. But as you can see here, we inverted the gap and immediately got inverted, creating a balanced price range, and that just means lower price for sure. So I ended up shorting there, and it was going good. It really was going good. Those equal lows were so clean here. Of course, we got London low, you know how that go. But then price needed some more liquidity after tapping into this low here. I should have gotten out there, but I wanted that London low, or no, sorry, these equal lows here. I thought we could get them, but then I round tripped my gains. Literally round tripped them. Boom. See what happens here. And I was just off my game. I closed the position early. It went. I did remember it originally takes out my original position. Yeah, there it goes. My original position would have been taken out right there. But after my original position gets taken out, it immediately sends down once again. So I got chopped up 3 times this day. 1, 2, and 3. Now all that just based off of it literally looks like I'm on tilt, like, and that's what it is, really. I was just, I missed here. I wanted to get in before it goes without me, but I should have just waited till 10 o'clock after taking this L, and should have just waited literally 5 minutes, but I didn't want to wait. Well, I did want to wait, but I totally ignored that and went for a long here, and we got cooked. Well, we went for a long here, got cooked. Then I wanted to go short, and then 10 a.m. came and cooked us to the upside, took this liquidity, fell into the gap, and immediately pushed down more. I mean, we're talking almost 100 points here. So, but that is it for this day's review. I will not slack on them. I did slack last week, but no more slacking. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and peace.